This video will show you the basic features of the remote control. The top half of the remote is primarily used for actions during a call, while the bottom half is primarily used for making calls. The two buttons at the top decrease or increase the volume. The next buttons zoom out or zoom in the camera. The camera can be controlled with the pad. The home button shows the home screen at any time. Pressing menu will display menus with camera, camera off, mute, and volume. Use the pad to navigate through the selection and use the center button to select a highlighted item. Press the left arrow to return to the previous screen. Press the call button to place or answer a call. Press the hang up button to end or reject a call. The keypad is used to dial numbers, enter letters, or set and recall preset camera views of a conference room. During a call, the preset feature is useful to quickly move the camera to focus on a specific area of the room. In this example, preset number 1 is pointing to the whiteboard. The mute button, located at the bottom of the remote control, will mute your microphone. Enjoy your meeting.